Pune is big city. It is going to become like it is a
Pune is
IT hub
a big
after the. It is a big city, but after the Bangalore, this is the
no,
IT hub,
no,
no?
no, no, no. After the Bengaluru. Why do we use the Shubham? Why do we use the and of? Can you tell me? Will you tell me?
We use like usually the in specific if you want to specify any city,
Uh,
so special thing. So we use the
okay. So, how many Bengalurus are there in the world?
one.
So why do you have to specify?
Okay.
Getting my point.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah.
the and are known as articles. The is a definite article, a is an indefinite article. We use the and for um, specificness or non-specificness. For example, if I say I am going to buy a car, which car? Any specific car? I'm asking you.
Okay.
I'm asking you. If I say I'm going to
Sorry.
buy a car, if I say I'm going to buy a car, is it
Okay.
any specific car or not?
No, no.
No. Because out of the so many cars which are available for purchase, I'm going to buy one car out of them. But
Okay.
right now, not decided till now. Hmm.
Okay.
Now, let's say I have booked it. All the formalities are done. Today, I'm going to get the delivery. So, right now, what will I
Okay.
say? I'm going to get a car or I'm going to get the car?
The car.
The car. Why the car? Because now it is going to be a specific one.
Okay. Yeah, I understand.
That is how it works. Furthermore, you said the car. D is used for walls. If it is
Walls.
a wall, then we use D. How we use an for walls? D.
Walls. I didn't get.
E-I-O-U. An apple, an ice cream, an elephant, correct?
Okay.
That time we use an, right? So if I'm saying
Hmm.
the apple, it is not right. It is supposed to be the apple, the elephant. So for vowels, we use the. Understood?
Okay. Yeah.
That is why when it comes to proper nouns like Shubham, Ahmad, Nanded, Pune, Bengaluru, Mumbai, we do not use articles because there is only one Nanded, only one Bengaluru, only one Pune, only one Mumbai, only one Bengaluru. So it's
Okay.
only Bengaluru, not a Bengaluru, not the Bengaluru, not a India, not the India. But
Okay.
some countries have the in their official name. For example, we are so our official name is the Republic of India.
Okay.
But the India is wrong because the Republic is succeeding the. So the is for Republic, the Republic of India, the Republic
The
India, the
okay.
United States of America. It is not America. It is not sorry. It is not the America. It is
Okay.
the United States of America.
Okay.
Understood? Okay.
That's the
So
reason.
it is cold
Thought.
throughout the day in Pune or it's only cold right now?
Not throughout the day. Right now, like it's between
Hmm.
in the
Be
morning
like
time. No, right now it's 11. Just 11
not morning time, only morning.
only. Only morning.
So few things. First is, so you also said I stay in the Baner area. So I stay in Baner area. Not necessarily. I stay in Baner. It is morning. Morning time is not needed. For example, will you say I stay in Pune city or I stay in Pune? What makes sense?
I stay in Pune.
Exactly. So mentioning city, I stay in India country, not needed. Simply say I stay in Pune. I stay in Baner. Where can you say Baner area is? I stay in the Baner area. If you want to differentiate. For example, if I stay in a specific area in the use when stay in a specific area, then you can say I stay in this area to differentiate. That is the context. But if there's no
Okay.
differentiation, you can simply say I stay in Bangalore.
Okay. I stay in Bane.
Getting my point, right?
Yeah.
हाँ.
Okay, but I'm making so many mistakes. This is my sixth class.
No, you're not
So,
making mistakes. You are in a way learning, correct? So you are bound to make mistakes, and it's okay if you make mistakes. How to explain to you? You're working, right?
okay. Yeah, working.
This is your first job or second job?
Now, second job.
Second job. When you were working your first job, when you
In that
started working,
same domain.
when you were working your first job, would you make any mistakes initially?
Yeah, before getting a job, no, I gave so many interviews. I give so many interviews.
No. My question: when you started working the first time, first job, when you started
Okay.
working, initially would you make mistakes? You would, right?
Yeah. Everybody do.
Same thing. It's okay. Everybody does. Everybody does.
Okay, does. Before
All right.
before
Did you have a
speaking
look at
this
the
word,
topic?
no.
Yeah. Sorry.
Before speaking this word, like everybody do. I feel I need to use the does, but I fake.
No problem. That's fine. That's fine. Good thing that you knew that you were supposed to say, but it's okay. Next time when you are speaking, maybe you will not make the same mistake. That's fine.
Okay.
All right. Uh, did you have a look at the topics we have for today?
Yeah. I went to the topic. The topic is celebrities.
Yes. Nice. Celebrities. So what is your opinion on celebrities?
Celebrities is good thing.
Do you have any favorite
Become
celebrity?
yeah, I have.
Okay.
Like I like Shah Rukh Khan.
You like Shah Rukh Khan? Okay, my favorite also.
Yeah. Other than that, if you say on sports, I like Virat Kohli.
Yeah, Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
He's a favorite.
Yeah.
You
But
like Shah Rukh Khan, you
he is
like
a
Virat Kohli.
yeah.
Okay.
They both are like genius persons. I feel legends in their field.
Genius people, yeah. True. Virat Kohli is a good cricketer.
Yeah. But
You must
I'm
be
a bit
following the
like
match, the test match between India
oh
and
no,
South Africa.
I'm
Am I
not
not?
following like yeah all the matches, all thing. But I like Virat Kohli attitude. Yeah.
You like Virat Kohli's attitude, okay? That's the most,
Yeah.
how do I say, polarizing thing. A lot of people don't like his attitude. Some people like his attitude.
Yeah. But because of that, he achieved this much, no? Like
We
I
can
saw so many interviews of him.
say that. Yeah.
I saw interviews of his, so many interviews, and yeah, after the match, no, out of the ground, he is so humble person. But everybody
He's a
like
very humble person.
yeah, he is a very humble person. But everybody only think he's at like oh he has a ego, like something. So many people hates in
Hmm.
my friend circle, no.
Hmm.
My friends like Rohit
People
Sharma.
don't like him.
Yeah, but
Hmm.
I the only in my like I have four, like we have we are
We
four
are
people,
we
four
are four people,
friends.
including
Yeah,
you, right?
yeah, including me. So
So we are four.
yeah, two like Virat Kohli, one I'm liking Virat Kohli, other
I
two
like
Rohit Sharma.
Virat Kohli.
Yeah, I like Virat Kohli. Other yeah, just like,
Others
but I don't know
don't
why
like him.
other don't like him. Yeah, but I don't know why people hate him. There is no reason, no.
Hate him. People don't like him. They're different. Not different. Hate is a very strong word. But the
Okay,
reason people don't like his is because of his attitude on the field. And
okay,
the captain who we had before Virat Kohli was
Dhoni.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He was very cool
Yeah,
and calm. And
cool and
compared to
yeah,
Dhoni,
cool
Virat
and
Kohli is very aggressive.
yeah. But every person is different, no?
Dhoni has managed to win trophies. You think about that. Dhoni has managed to win trophies which Kohli has not. Dhoni has
Yeah.
success to back him. Kohli does not have success to back him.
Okay. Yeah. But it is not on. It is not the worst one person. The if you need to be a team, no, you need to be focused on the team, no. If
At the
the
end of
team
the day,
media win, no.
you're
Okay, sorry.
if you're the captain, it is your team, na. If you're the captain, it is your team. You are going to be held accountable. That's what it is. We have uh, 1 minute left almost. I'm going to give
Okay.
you feedback, Shivam. Shivam, you spoke very well. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, mistakes were made here and there with art, a few words here and there, sentence structure, that sort of thing. But apart from that, you spoke well. You expressed yourself nicely. You're very confident when you're speaking. It's very good.
Thank
Confidence
you,
is
sir.
very important, and also being able to express yourself is very important. So continue with that. Make sure that
Okay.
you're expressing yourself nicely. And I think because you are speaking that well, I would strongly suggest see if you can, what do I say, uh, read a bit or get to learn new words and add them to your regular
Vocabulary.
conversation. Simple words, simple to enhance your vocabulary, and read 15 minutes every day. You can read a newspaper, you can read a book, anything which you're comfortable with, or an article on the internet. Just that you know
Okay.
the concept of sentence structure. If you're speaking well, you're speaking well. If you speak with anyone, understand what you're saying. Even if they're a native speaker, they'll understand exactly what you're saying.